This is the third day in a row I've had to come here to Hurricane Hobbies because now I'm out of flat clear. Ooh, an excuse to go to the hobby shop. Well, hello Glue Troopers, Max and Max's Models here. Today I got to working on the crew members for that Tamiya 148 scale Betty bomber I'm working on. And I also started painting the airplane. And it amazes me how much tape you have to use on a model this big. You almost have to buy a roll of tape for every 148 scale bomber that you do. Fortunately, this has a pretty straightforward three-color paint scheme. The IJN green with the light gray underbelly, and some people say it's supposed to be that slightly greenish IJN gray green, but the pictures look more like light gray, and of course you have the black glare shield. So I removed some of the glass since the framing was already there. I went ahead and primed it. And while I had the paint booth open, I'm tired of looking for my paint mixer, so I went ahead and painted a nice bright color so that it won't be so hard to find. I was a little disappointed when I put the wheels together that they didn't have that normal Tamiya fit that you expect, so that meant some putty and sanding and everything to get those working, but that's model building, right? So once everything was dry, I'd already, as you may recall, I'd already painted the fuselage halves green. Unfortunately, the fuselage did not have that classic Tamiya fit. I did have to putty and sand it and reprime it and repaint it, but it only took one time and it came out looking pretty good. I'm actually very, very happy with the way it's starting to come together. The top, of course, which was more critical because that's what you'll see, it wasn't bad. The bottom was worse, but I did get it taken care of. Once the figures had hardened, started dragging out the flesh paint and working on them. So that was actually done yesterday. Today I removed the glass, masked off, and painted the black glare shield. And that came out without any problems. And started piecing things together. It was pre-painted green framed windshields and glass and everything made life a lot easier, much quicker. Right now I'm working on the wings and the engine nacelles, and it's all starting to come together. I'll get back to work on it tomorrow. That canopy's just test fitting on there, and it kind of snaps into place. So that's really all I did today. I did take the time to go ahead and put some faded areas on the wings after I had they looked too new and too uniform, so I mixed some white in with the green and put that on there, and then went back over it with a thin coat of the green, and now it's got getting a nice faded look. So that's where we're at for right now, and that's really all I got done today, but hey, that's enough. So guys, we'll talk at you later. Take care of yourselves, and as always, model on.